In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple strategy in Tradingview to trade on the Nasdaq. First things first, head on over to Tradingview and select your favorite chart. For this tutorial, I'm focusing on the Nasdaq, but you can definitely tailor any strategy to any instrument you prefer. I encourage you to be creative with tailoring your strategy. Now, once you're on Tradingview, you want to click on the Pine editor. This is where the magic happens. Pinescript, the language used here, is specifically designed to help traders like you and me build trading tools that can offer an edge in the market. It assists in making those important trading decisions. Once you're in the Pine editor, you'll see a default script. Go ahead and highlight all of it and hit delete. We want to start with a clean slate for our new indicator. Once you've cleared the text, you'll notice a highlighted space. This is the area where your new code for your indicator idea will be pasted. To generate this code, I recommend utilizing ChatGPT. Think about your trading idea and input it into ChatGPT. In this instance, I noticed the Nasdaq has a buy bias and I want to trade it long term. I'll prompt ChatGPT to create an indicator in Pinescript that shows buy signals when the 10 EMA crosses the 200 EMA. This will specifically be made for NASS 100 and will provide exit signals only during the US session. Once your script is generated, simply copy it and go back to Tradingview to paste it into the Pine editor window. If you encounter any coding errors, don't worry. Ask ChatGPT to fix them. It works every time. Once your code is pasted, click on Manage Script. This feature will allow you to organize and keep track of your scripts. A window will pop up and I'd recommend clicking Rename. Tradingview gives your script an auto-generated name based on your code. Using this descriptive name can be helpful, especially when managing multiple scripts. After renaming, don't forget to click Save. This step ensures that your hard work is preserved. Once saved, click the Add to Chart button. There you go. You can now see your indicator in action. This tool is set to show a buy signal during the US session, specifically when the 10 EMA crosses the 200 EMA. Imagine swing trading on the 4HR chart and capturing a massive move since May 2025. You could still be in the position, gaining thousands of pips. As you navigate through this process, feel free to explore the myriad indicators available. Consider the time of day, the type of instrument, market movements, and even news factors in your strategy. And finally, if you want to share your indicator with the public or a private community, Tradingview makes publication a breeze. Whether you share it globally or keep it exclusive, the choice is yours. Happy trading.